in this video I'll show you how to find and download free blogger theme for your blog and how to install it so that your blog will look professional and it will be Google AdSense ready. That means it will have AdSense codes where you can place your Google AdSense codes when you have approval and earn money. So without further ado, let's proceed. Go to your browser and then make a search for download free blogger theme, and after that you'll find websites like this. So I'm going to open up these results. Let's open up this one, this one, this one, and there will be plenty of websites from where you can download free templates, right? So let's open up this website here, and after coming up here you can see they have got responsive templates, free blogger templates, and SEO ready templates. Basically almost all of the templates nowadays are responsive and SEO optimized. So let's have a look at these featured options. You can see the template. So if I click on this template here, let's cross it out. He's trying to make some money. That's good because we are on the same path as well, right? So after opening up any of the template, you'll find three options: live preview, buy, and download. From live preview, obviously you should preview the website first before you download it so that you know how your website will look like. So let's click on live preview. And after that, it is going to show us some of the demos they have got. As you can see here, some of them are pretty gorgeous. So if I click here on live preview, you can see how the website will look like in real view, right? So it looks nice. Now let's cross it out. I'm gonna looking for something pretty basic. So if I click here on live preview, you can see how this one is looking like, and as you can see here, responsive advertisement. So basically they have got the advertisement codes as well. Here you go, I mean placement. Here you go, this one as well, right? And this is how your blog post will look like, right? So spend some time to find out one that you would love to go with, and not only this blog site or this template. Go back here and have a look on the other options they have got on this page. And if you click on this free blogger template, you'll find few more. If you click here, you'll find a few more as well. Simply spend some time and get the one that you would love. So from this page, I think I'm gonna go with this basic template. So if I click here on live preview, this looks pretty decent for me because I like the simplicity. It does have this responsive advertisement field. If I open it up, it has responsive advertisement field here as well. So we can place our ad codes, and the sidebars looks nice as well. So to download this theme, what I have to do, I have to click here on this download this template button right here. And after that, it is going to take us to this page. Scroll a bit down and we'll find this option, download. So let's click here. And after that, let's cross it out and just take a look. We have got this template downloaded, magazine free version. So if I click here on this file, it is going to take us here. I'm going to double click so that it will be extracted. Now let's open it up. And after that, we should have this XML file here. So here you go. This is the XML file that I have to install to my Blogger backend. So before I go for that, let me show you the other sites that I have got free Blogger templates. Simply spend some time and choose the one that you'd love to go with. I'm going to attach all of these links into the video description if you want. This is one of the premium sites, but they have got free templates as well. If you scroll a bit down, you'll find they're selling $10.50 for each of the templates. But if you click here on templates, and after that, if you scroll a bit down, you will find options. For example, this one. So if you click on live preview, you can see how the template is going to look like in various demos, right? So simply open up and see how it is going to look like. And if you think this is something that you'd love to go with that. And then how you can download the free version, that's the question. Let's go back here. After that, you will find this download option right here. Buy now is to buy the premium version, but if you click here on download, for example, if I click on this download, have a look, Grid Mag free version has been downloaded. So now I can use this template for free, right? So this is the process how you can download a free template. And from this website as well, they already have got this mentioned free blogger templates. That means any of the themes you are going to download will be completely free of cost. And spend some time. They have got 24 pages here. Spend some time, get the one that you are looking for, the design and stuff, and then download it. We already have got plenty of resources here we can download the themes from. So let's move on. It's time to install the theme that we have just downloaded to our browser. So as of now, if I visit my blog, you can see how it is looking like. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you back here on our Blogger backend. Let's click on theme and you will find this option. So let's click on this down arrow icon, and after that click on restore option, and after that click on upload, And then this is the template that we have downloaded. So let's open it up, and here is the XML file. So whatever template you are downloading, you will file this .xml file. So let's select this, let's click on open, restoring theme, and here we go, restored theme. Now if I visit this blog from here, we'll have a complete new look. This was the previous look, and now we have got this look. We can change elements. For example, we can remove any of the sections if you don't like. We have to provide our information instead of whatever they have got here. Wow, mega menu, it looks nice as well here. That's nice. Then we have got the sidebar and stuff, and if we don't want any of these fields, we can simply remove them, right? And I'll show you the full customization process in one of my future videos. If you would love to watch that video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. And how was this video? Let me know your opinion by commenting below. I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.